Mr. Falana is back with us, and I understand that we've rectified the audio. I can see Mr. Falana. Mr. Falana, if you can hear me now. Your position about the action of the president, and this is not the first time, and looking back at, in fact, newspapers in the days of Obasanjo, days of Jonathan, you've maintained the same stance about the powers of a president in a state of emergency. But what makes this unique is the fact that in declaring a state of emergency, the governor is a party in the crisis. So taking him out of the equation is an explanation and being given to this, that he became an onlooker and did not do anything. Mr. Falana.
Well, I'm not really interested in the politics of this matter, but in the relevant provisions of the Constitution. I was making the point that there are 320 sections of the Constitution. Nowhere is the president empowered to remove the governor of a state or suspend the governor of a state, suspend the deputy governor of a state, suspend the legislators in a state. Incidentally, the current administration, the current Bola Tinubu administration, sued the 36 state governors last year, or state government, over the removal of the dissolution of elected local government councils and replacement with sole administrators or caretaker committees. The Supreme Court, 7 justices unanimously heard on that point that it is illegal and unconstitutional to remove, by governors to remove elected chairmen and councillors. It stands to reason that the president of the republic cannot remove an elected governor or suspend legislature. It is stated in section 11 subsection 4, for the avoidance of doubt, that even when the National Assembly takes over the legislative functions of a state to make laws because the House of Assembly is unable to see, it is stated there.